cutting hair almost every day really since the early 70s, and I've been trying to cut hair as if they were feathers of a bird. It's one of the things that always fascinated me about how nature is very inspires me. These are some of the crazy colours I did again many years ago. Put all the pictures together. I didn't realise, of course, I have so many. It's not an exaggeration to say I do have thousands. This is the only Tony and Guy thing. Well, I haven't got that much. Other stuff. So the camera's clearer now. So like I said, it's cutting hair simply. I'm always trying to be genuine in my approach to when I'm cutting somebody. You know, you can only be yourself. So again, people do trust me. Yeah, so texture, cheekbones, eyes, lips. This is my record player. So when you would walk in, okay, this is 74, 1980, 1980, 1982, 1979, 2002, 1997, 1998, don't know what year. This is definitely early. This is London in King's Road or Knightsbridge. We all wore suits, big hair. This is more recent. This is quite early. And these are the books. These are the portfolios that are full of photos still. And like I said, because I'm a collector, I've got so many. I've got all Tony and Guy, and then I've got hair cults and international hairstyle and shake your head, and there's some more black and whites upstairs. So this is what's happening in Amsterdam and my tiny house of hair. This is a good example of trying to cut hair like feathers. You know, this is really and here, so this is 20 years difference. Cutting girls with attitude. Okay, I hope you like. I don't know how long, it's a 3-minute video. This is also very early 70s. Very early 70s. When, you know, this is my bedroom with Rod Stewart posters. This is Baker Street, 1973, 74. This is 74 when I was actually, this is a diploma from juniors. Anyway, kids, I've got to cut some hair, I hope. That's it, that's me. Anyway, it's not about me, it's about what I do. Okay, this is the first shop I ever worked with in King's Road, Robert Fielding of Regent Street. That's Regent Street, this is what I do now. This is a good example of 1980, 1982. This is Rotterdam. I had a salon, we had a salon, Tony and Guy in Rotterdam. Nobody believes all that stuff. And Anthony Mascolo, hero of mine, me working with him with tea time. My hand's shaking for some reason. Okay, kids, That's the tiny house of hair video of the day. That's the stuff in the house just to keep it interesting. Okay, and outside it's raining. And these are my beautiful roses of the day. Okay, happy days from Amsterdam, everybody. So, okay, happy days and Tony and Guy, punk to perfection. This is what I do. I cut hair all my life, non-stop. So I do take it a little bit serious.